I'm just not the person to go into stores. So often I am in bed late night and I'm just scrolling on my phone and I'm like thinking of things that I can buy, or I see something, I'm like, oh, I kind of need this, and then I look it up on Amazon. If you're new here, my name is Eliana and welcome to my channel. I have a massive Amazon haul that I did and I want to just go over everything. I've already taken them out of the boxes, but I'm gonna go over everything that I bought. I feel like I should have gotten scissors for this. Okay, so this is a cute little satin skirt. So it's so cute. It has these little slits in the front. Wow, it actually feels like pretty good quality. I've bought in some satin skirts off of Amazon before and they've been like literal trash. So this one actually looks really cute and I got it, I think, in an extra large because skirts for some reason on Amazon are a lot smaller than normal. So I just always go for the extra large and then sometimes I'll get the large, but I'll see if this fits me. So this next item is the Jojo Anna's Goodness bras. And I just like seamless bras all of a sudden. They're just so comfortable. I don't know about you, but I literally hate wearing bras. So I started wearing these like seamless bras and they're so much more comfortable. Like, look at the straps. It's really comfy, so if you want to wear with a t-shirt, you can't even notice it. It's a little too thick, I think, to wear with a tank. It depends on the cut of the shirt, but it's so comfortable. Like, look at the back. There's like no seam on it and it has padding on it, so it still gives you a little bit of a lift. So this is like just essential. I also get all my seamless underwear on Amazon. Oh my gosh, okay, I remember buying this because I'm on like a new wave. I don't know if you noticed on my previous videos, I straighten my hair a lot. I don't know why I got into the habit of doing it. For the longest time, I would wear my hair wavy or curly like this is my natural hair, just like scrunching it up, and I just got into a habit of straightening my hair, and now I'm kind of feeling the vibe of being a little bit more natural and embracing my unique beauty. So I'm wearing my hair curly. So I saw this on Amazon. It's the Honest, here, let me get like closer to the camera, but it's the Honest conditioning detangler, but it says it's for everyday gentle use. It's supposed to hydrate and soften your hair, and it's a sweet orange. Oh my god, I just took out the cap. Does it not have a cap? That's weird. Oh my god, it smells like a creamsicle. I was supposed to be in Mexico last week, but plans changed. My aunt is in the middle of moving and literally left her passport in a pod. So we had to move our trip 2 months from now. But I bought this bucket hat. Like, look at how cute. I don't know, I love bucket hats, and I know I'm literally 26. Like, I probably shouldn't even be wearing these, but they're so cute. I love them. They're such cute accessories. Like, I don't know, I feel like you can like spice up an outfit or wear if you're going to the beach. And wait, I got in 2 colors because, you know, when you're late night shopping, you can't just get one color. Just doesn't exist. I got it in tie-dye. Like, I'm just gonna be the coolest girl at the pool. Tell me you don't want this hat. Oh my god, I love it. It's such a vibe. Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear this. I actually bought these leather pants. Can you see them? And they have like perfect little boot cut flare. These are actually really good material. The material of those leather pants are A1, especially for the price. Like, it's so good. And it doesn't smell like that pleather smell. I recommend those. And I'm gonna tag and link everything in my Amazon store in case you guys want to also buy the same one. I am going to Mexico next month, and then I'm also going to the Cayman Islands, hopefully in the beginning of April with my company. So I wanted to get some cute swimmies. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this yet because this may not be like PG, but oh my gosh, look at this swimsuit. It's so cute. Like, it's so precious, and I can wear it with my little bucket hat too, my pink one. I bought all of this thinking of the whole fit, you know what I mean? But look at the top. I love the flowers. It's so retro. It's so cute. I always get it in extra large. My measurements are always tagged on my video just for references, but right now I've been wearing like a size 8, 10, usually I feel like I was gravitating more towards 12 and 10, and now I think I've been working out more, so I've been grabbing more things that are like size 8 or 10. This next dress, I actually had opened it and I don't know if I'm super convinced. So it's like a little lavender dress and it's like slit on the sides, and look at the back, like it's all crisscross and open. It looks super sexy. The material is pretty thin. On the model it doesn't show like it's sheer, but it kind of looks a little thin, so I don't know, might be a return. You guys are gonna be so proud of me. It's an LED lamp to do my nails because I will not be spending money at salons anymore. I'm gonna test all this stuff. I also got a whole set of gel polishes, and I'm gonna be doing Gel X because that's what I did before, and then I switched to acrylic when I moved here to California because I really couldn't find anybody that would do Gel X. It was so weird. So yeah, now I'm gonna do my own gel polish on Gel X. Hopefully it doesn't take me forever, but I feel like I'll get faster the more I do it, so we'll be okay. I got straw cleaner. It's really gross, and I've had water bottles that I haven't cleaned in a while, and it's gross. So I got these because I'm like, I need to clean my straws, and I like using straws for everything. So okay, these next shoes, I don't know if they're gonna be cringy. They're not for aesthetic reasons. They're for running and going to the gym, and they're Asics. I always love Asics for the gym. When I was training for my half marathon, Asics. They're a little cringy. Look at this shoe. It has like glitter on it. I don't know, I thought it was kind of cute, but now that I have them, I'm like, it's a little cringy. But I mean, they're nice. This next item is so freaking cute. It's a vest. Look at how cute. It's a hunter green vest, thick AF. So like if it's cold, like it'll actually protect you. But I don't know, I'm thinking about wearing this for my next photo shoot. I might do it. These are very in, so if you don't have any vests, there's so many cute ones on Amazon. This is an athletic set that I got because I have these same athletic sets, but I have the biker shorts version and I wanted the leggings version. The band is really thick. Like it's so thick and it like sucks your waist in, and it's not like uncomfortable. It's not like a faja. It's not like a waist trainer. It's literally just leggings, but bitch, like it sucks in your waist, and the ribbing just looks so flattering. It's black. It's obviously gonna be slimming. I literally use the biker short set so often, but since it's getting a little cold, I wanted to use the full legging. If you throw on this kind of leggings with like a little puffer jacket, I think it's super cute, especially if it's cold out. I got this skirt. I don't know if any of you will think it's cute, but I love fringe. I didn't enlarge. I always look at the measurements, by the way, on Amazon, so if based on the measurements I think I can get a large, I'll get the large. It's so cute and it's good quality. Like it's pretty thick and it doesn't look cheap at all. Like this is a win. The bra that I'm wearing, I actually bought them in 3 colors, so it comes in a 3-pack. But I love wearing these around the house, and it comes with the bra pads. I mean, I always take the bra pads out just because I don't like it. I don't know. It just, you can see it and it looks weird. So, but these are super cute. I like them and they're just easy to throw on. I got these like little ribbed pants. They're just so cute, and like to wear them in the house, but you can also wear it with like a top and kind of dress it up. But dude, the quality of these pants, like, oh my God, it's like thick, but it's soft. Like it's so nice. We're almost done. This is wild. So got this swimsuit that I showed you previously. I got it in neon green. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, look at the detail of this swimsuit. Like it's so beautiful. It has this little like ribbed detailing on the front. I've seen this corset everywhere. It's so beautiful. Like the detailing on top, like you could wear this with jeans. You could wear this with like white pants with a skirt. Oh my God, so many options. And I actually had it in chocolate. I have it over there, but it was too small on me. So I had originally gotten a large or something. I don't know, the large did not fit me. This one looks like it's gonna fit me, so we'll see. I got this cool little kit, and it comes with the little things that you can clip on your nail, and you put the cotton swab and then you just leave them on instead of using tin foil. So it comes with the cotton swabs, it comes with the thing to peel off the gel polish, it comes with the brush, and then it comes with the little like finger thingies. This is like what it looks like. So I'm gonna make a list on my Amazon store with all the nail stuff that I'm gonna be using. Look at how cute. It's like a basic black crew neck sweater, which you could use and pair with so many outfits, and it's just so cute on its own. I wish I could find one that's a San Diego. Oh, I got these black leggings. It's just blackout tights, and it's really because I want to wear these tights with like skirts if it gets cold. This is just more nail stuff. I got this acetone pump just to make it easier. I have the big bottle of acetone. I'm gonna put it in here and you can just like pump it. It's so weird. You can get items from Shein on Amazon and it doesn't tell you it's from Shein. It's so weird. But I got this really nice dress with like a slit on the side and it's ribbed. I had bought in shorts from the same brand. I have black leather shorts and I love them and I wanted them in brown. I actually might wear this on my next photo shoot because they're so freaking nice and they're so stretchy. So like they're perfect, like they'll fit you no matter what. It comes with a little belt too, which is like chef's kiss. So I was watching Love Island and all these girls had these gorgeous bright dresses and this is what happens. I got this ribbed lime green dress and it's just beautiful. Like I feel like on my skin tone it's gonna look so cute and flattering. Guys, for the longest I was not wearing bodycon dresses and now I'm like, I'm gonna wear my bodycon dress. I don't care what size I am. This is my best thing that I've purchased. I got all of these sunglasses probably for like $10 and they all come in different colors, like fun colors, but they're so cute. Like look. How are you not obsessed with these? They're so nice. I'm not trying to buy expensive sunglasses, guys. Like I lose everything. So these are just perfect. You can just throw them on. It's okay if they get scratched. I will be linking everything on my Amazon storefront. So super easy. My link is usually in my bio on my Instagram. Go check me out. I do post about mid-size fashion, mindset, self-love, all that good stuff. That is the end of my Amazon haul video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you want more of these kind of videos, let me know because I do a lot of shopping, so I can definitely do more. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I love you and I will see you next time.